Dear students, now we are going to see electric potential due to a point charge. Here the potential at P with respect to some the infinity, the electric potential at a point P is given by the electric potential at P is given by V is equal to, previously we have seen this equation, instead of R we putting what is that, infinity to R minus E vector dot dr vector. Got it? So here potential at point P with respect to some infinity. So electric potential at point P is given by V is equal to infinity to R minus E vector dot dr vector. Okay, so I am writing here, taking minus integral of limit infinity to R E vector dot dr vector. Therefore the electric field we know the equation, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square R cap. Previously you know the equation, so I am taking, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, substitute equation 2 in 1. So I am getting V equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinity to R Q by R square R cap dot dr vector. Okay, here dr vector equal to, I am writing R cap dr, called infinitesimal displacement vector, this is called. So I am substituting, instead of this dr vector, potential V is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinity to R Q by R square, so R cap dot, so instead of dr vector R cap dr. This is unit vector. The dot product of unit vector equal to 1. We might have studied in 11th standard. So electric potential V equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinity to R Q by R square dr. I am taking this as equation number 3. Therefore V is equal to, taking this Q from outside, minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinity to R 1 by R square dr. Okay, that is minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught infinity to R, this R square going to numerator, R power minus 2 dr. Using integration formula, we know the integration, integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Using this formula, integration formula, V is equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 infinity to r. Got it? So V is equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So I am writing r power minus 1 by 1 infinity to r. So V is equal to minus here plus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 1 by r. So r power minus 1 is 1 by r infinity to r. So I am applying limits here, 4 pi epsilon naught. So 1 by r upper limit minus of lower limit 1 by infinity. The value of 1 by infinity equal to 0. So V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r minus 0. So V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay. So I will ask one question. Why we think about electric potential? If we calculate potential, any charge given to that point, that is, the potential means energy given to bring 1 coulomb of charge. Is it right? What is potential? Energy given to bring 1 coulomb of charge. That means, suppose we have to calculate potential of 5 coulomb. Okay, so what is the potential? 5 into V. We can simply calculate. Okay, so we can easily calculate using the mathematics energy concept into potential concept. Okay, this is very important. Energy concept into potential concept. Okay, here this Q, if Q is positive, the potential V is greater than 0. If Q is negative, means V also negative, and it is equal to V equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay, got it? Next, here so many charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, etc. Q1 makes a distances R1, R2, R3, R4 and Rn. I need to calculate what is the potential in that point P. Could you understand? Here so many charges here, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, etc. and make a distance R1, R2, R3, etc. in order to calculate what is the potential in that point P. Before using field, the equation is very complicated. We have to substitute E vector and R vector. The equation is very complicated, but here the potential concept gives simplified form, very simplified form. Do you understand? See this equation. So I am writing the potential at a point P. I am going to calculate here. V1 is a potential at a point P due to Q1. What is V1? Potential due to at a point Q1. What is V2? Potential at a point P due to Q2. So I am writing the equation V1 is equal to, from the equation K, Q by Q1 by R1. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1. This is V1. Next, V2 is potential at a point P due to Q2. Therefore, K Q2 by R2. So I am writing here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 by Q2 by R2. Okay. So next is similarly Vn is equal to, what is that? K Qn by Rn. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qn divided by Rn. So I am going to calculate total potential is, that is K Q1 by R1 plus K Q2 by R2 plus K Q3 by R3 plus etc. K Q1 by Rn. So the potential V total equal to K, taking K in common. So I am writing summation of I equal to 1 to N Qi by Ri. That is V total is equal to, substituting the value of K, 4 pi epsilon naught summation of I equal to 1 to N Qi by Ri. Understand? Thank you.